Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off automatic download and install of software updates. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go down, tap on general. Go to software update. Here you can see automatic updates. Right now that is on. Tap on automatic updates. So here you can see automatically install, then automatically download. So right now both automatic download and install are on. If you want to turn off automatic download and install of software update, we can tap here and turn off. Tap here. So we have to turn off these three settings. So that way we can turn off automatic download and install of software updates. Later, if you want to turn on, we can tap here and turn on. So we have to turn on all these three options. So this way we can turn on automatic download and install of software updates. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.